Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted. So today we're going to be making Jamaican peanut porridge. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And I will try my best to upload a video every now and then. Thank you. So look who wants to come in the kitchen to come and help me. Hi mama. Hi. You hungry? You want baba? Fruits? So this is Miss Avery's snack for now. She loves fruits, so she's gonna eat this until the porridge is ready. Okay guys, so now we're gonna blend the peanut. I don't have any measurements, I just do whatever. So I add water, coconut milk, add in the peanut, a little oatmeal, and a little cornmeal. And now we're going to blend. Okay, so now started off by adding a little bit of water in the pot. We're gonna add the cinnamon leaves. Add the vanilla. Powdered cinnamon, nutmeg, about a teaspoon of each, and half a teaspoon of salt. So now we're gonna bring this up to a boil. Okay, so we're finished blending the peanut and we're gonna add it to the pot. Fill the pot up with Okay, so we're gonna continue stirring this until it starts to boil a little. Okay, so now we're gonna turn it down and let it cook a little. Hi guys, so now I'm going to mix the condensed milk in a little water. I feel like when I mix a little bit of water and loosen it, when I add it to the porridge, it combines faster. I don't know, I might be wrong, but this is what works for me. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it. Let me turn up the porridge a little bit more so it can boil. Careful, Mama. Okay, and while I'm doing this, I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar. So it mix out. About 2 tablespoons. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit until it's time to pour it in the pot. Okay, so now we're going to add the condensed milk and brown sugar. Okay guys, so now we're gonna serve a bowl of porridge. It's ready. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, so my husband is gonna try the porridge and let me know how it tastes and his opinion. It's Avery.
Porridge? Yeah guys, really good, you know, smooth and nice. You guys need to try it.
You want porridge, Mama? Okay guys, so this little bowl is mine. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my breakfast. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.